Hello, good morning. Welcome to our channel Yushi Talks, and we have today some news coming in from Puerto Rico that has declared a state of emergency over violence against women. We have more details on this, and please watch the complete video and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Puerto Rico Governor Pedro Pierluisi declared a state of emergency Sunday over a tide of violence against women, a measure local activists have demanded for years to address a scourge that continues to go largely unpunished. The emergency declaration calls for a series of wide-ranging policies to combat femicides and other forms of violence. The executive order was hailed by advocates as an important step in addressing a long-existing issue that jumped back to spotlight after a recent murder. General violence is a social evil based on ignorance and attitudes that cannot have space or tolerance in Puerto Rico as that we aspire to. PLUC said in a press release, "It's my duty and my commitment as a governor to establish a stop to gender violence, and for those purposes I have declared a state of emergency." As part of the order, a mobile app will be created to help victims request assistance and report aggressors to emergency services. Authorities will create a program to check in with the women who have filed restraining orders, and the government will launch media campaigns to educate the public about the gender violence. A compliance officer will be charged with ensuring that the order is followed, while a committee, including local rights groups, will simultaneously recommend public policy, monitor implementation, and publish progress reports. The move comes days after Angie Noemi Gonzalez, a nurse from the mountain town of Barranquitas, was found dead in a ravine in a crime that outraged many of the island. According to police, her partner of 16 years, Roberto Rodriguez, admitted to killing the mother of three. The woman's uncle, Alex Santos, told that she had been working at a nursing home throughout the pandemic and had survived cancer. He said that she had expressed her fear for her life but thought that filing a restraining order would be pointless. "It's a piece of paper that won't protect me at all," he said that she told him. The order is the latest measure to bring attention to violence against women in Latin America and Caribbean, considered one of the most dangerous regions in the world to be female. A recent study by the Organization for Economic Cooperative and Development notes that the region has the world's highest rates of femicide, with over a quarter of women experiencing violence from an intimate partner at least once in their lifetime. Advocates fear those trends have gotten worse during the pandemic, with lockdowns putting vulnerable women at further risk. So that's the news that we have coming in from Puerto Rico. Please continue to watch this space for more details and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching me so far. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.